Hello everybody. Welcome to Malaysia in the evening time. I just came out to do a little bit of walking around and clear my head. But listen, check this out, guys. I've been on this earth for 50 plus years and I've seen birds do a lot of crazy things in my day. I've seen them loving on one another, hugging. I've seen them fighting in midair and they hit the ground just a rolling and tumbling. I've even seen birds humping each other. But today I experienced something with birds that I've never seen before in my life. Check this out. So guys, tell me, what do you think those two birds were doing? To me, I think they were kissing. Especially when that one bird tilts his head sideways and goes in for a big old smooch. Wow, that's impressive. Only here in Malaysia. But my question is, that's going to bake your noodle, what language do these birds speak? Think about it. Do they speak Malay or what? Alright guys, put a like on that video, and if you hadn't already, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Love you guys.